Hi, it's Richard Timpson of Richard Timpson Solicitors, and I'm here today to provide a video cast in relation to the question of partner visas. Now, as a matter of everyone's interest, this is, as everyone can see, an outside public broadcast from, in fact, Indonesia and in particular Bali, where I'm spending a few days. The question of partner visas and doing a video cast in relation to it is actually quite a prevalent thing from Indonesia, because it's certainly somewhere where I receive a lot of clients from, in circumstances where, as you know, a lot of Australians would come to this island and meet partners here. Now, the difficulty is that if you're in that situation, whether or not you can bring a partner to Australia depends on your specific circumstances, and unfortunately, if your circumstances don't meet the requirements, the situation is that unfortunately you're not entitled to a visa. So what I would say is that there are effectively three main circumstances that you can bring someone to Australia under the auspices of partner arrangements, and there's effectively, we'll say, three main types of entry, if you like. One is on the basis of being a prospective marriage type of an applicant. That's where you intend to marry someone in Australia during a certain period of time. And the second category is in circumstances where you're either married to someone or you're in what's known as a de facto partner relationship. And when I refer to a third category, what it is in fact is that there is an offshore and an onshore variant for that particular classification. Now, the difficulty is that most of the people I meet claim to be in a de facto partner relationship, but the problem realistically is that that is actually a legal definition in the Migration Act, and unfortunately whether or not you meet it is not just a question of, oh well, we're in a de facto partner relationship, so therefore we must meet the requirements. It's not as simple as that, I'm afraid, and it's not as simple as that because there's a huge amount of refusals of this particular subclass every year, and as you know, people will know if you're looking at my video that it is extremely expensive from a government perspective to make that application. So you certainly shouldn't be making that application unless you've got reasonable prospects of success with respect to it. So look, what I would say, if you have any inquiries in relation to whether your circumstances are capable of being defined in terms of a partner visa application, you know, whether you're from this place, Indonesia, or it doesn't really matter where, quite frankly, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me, either by email. My email address is richard@richardtimpson.com.au. Our website, www.richardtimpson, don't forget the S, on.com.au, and on our telephone numbers, and I'll give you the Mackay number because given that I'm on holidays, I don't actually remember my Brisbane number, but the Mackay number is 07 4957 4922. Thanks very much, and I'll get on with my holiday.